This is without relay, and this is after relay and fog light. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to install the relay kit in my car. So the stock lights which comes with in the car, it has a 55-60 watt bulbs. So 55 is low beam and 60 is high beam, so it's a H4 bulb, you can see over here. So in this bulbs, it's a combination of two filaments, high beam and low beam. And a lot of cars which are coming nowadays, they have a double barrel headlights, so we have a difference there, the high beam and low beam. But few cars we still have a single barrel and a reflector. On those we have this H4 bulbs are installed. So these are the bulbs which are installed. So in the single bulb we have 4 filaments. As you know, the winter season has started, and currently we are seeing the fog situation in northern India specifically. This 55-60 watt don't give much brightness in the light, and the brightness of the light also reduced like after the car is 2 or 3 years old. So here you can see the wattage on this bulb is 90 and 100 watt. So generally outside what the people do, they just install the 90-100 watt bulb without any relay. So the issue is that your existing the wiring and switches are designed for 55-60 stock bulbs, but if they install this directly, this will going to damage the switch, the wiring, all those things. So highly it's recommended to install the relay. What relay will do, the existing wire, it will not going to, there will be no cut, and the existing your plugs will be connected in this relay, and when you just switch on the headlight, this relay will be activated, and this relay will take the power from the battery and give it to the headlight on 90 on this new bulbs with high power. So whatever the load you are providing, it's taken care by this relay. So it's a very simple process. You don't need much of the technical knowledge, you can easily do it at home. So the headlights where we have H4 bulbs, using this procedure you can install the lights in the car. So it will be a detailed video, so how to do it. So it's a very I will going to use a very basic tool, so I'm going to provide all the information in this video. And as you know, the fog, so I will also going to upgrade the bulbs. I will going to use the fog bulbs. If you see, they are specifically designed for the fog. It's like a Minda, it's a brand, so it's not a local one. So I will going to install this one. So I will going to show you the difference, what's the difference between the before the stock lights and after the upgrade. So in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and you can just receive those informative videos. So as of now I have not revealed the price of the kit. The kit price is around 450 rupees INR, and the bulb cost me 250 rupees. And 700 rupees you can upgrade the brightness, upgrade the light of your car. So let me show you the relay. So this is the whole kit. The wiring of the both headlight, the intake, the battery connectors, your fuse, everything is provided in this relay wiring. So let me just try to explain you, after that we will start. So here you can see the good thing about this relay, it's like a ceramic holder. So 90-100 watt will going to produce extra power, extra heat, so that's why they're providing ceramic. And here you can see the ground wire. This is on the one side of the headlight, and with this relay you receive a relay as well. This is the relay, and here you can see this relay will going to be connected. Let me just show you how to connect this one. So in case your relay like is not working, maybe after 2, 3, 4 years, so you can get this relay, specifically the relay from the market. It's not like you have to replace the whole wiring. So relay is installed, and this is the fuse which is provided. It's a 30 ampere fuse which is provided. So fuse is also available in the market. So on the another end we have 2 sockets. We have a ceramic one, and this is the male connector. So this male connector will be connected to the existing wire, the existing I would say the socket. It will be connected, that power will be go to this switch, and after that relay will be activated, and from this red wire this clamp will be connected on the battery on the positive terminal, and from that it will going to provide power to the headlight, the new bulbs. So the quality of this relay is really good. It's you can see the installation will be very neat and clean. The quality is really good. So let's install. So before starting any of the electric wire in your car, just make sure you disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. So you can see the negative terminal is disconnected. So first of all, we will going to install these new bulbs. So make sure when you just try them, make sure you didn't touch on this, because if you going to touch, the oil marks will be there on the bulb and it will going to reduce the brightness. So you can see both the bulbs are identical. So let's install. So installation will be very simple. So on the headlight we have a grooves where these pins are going to be locked. So you have to install it straightforward. So let me try to show you. It's a bit a tight space over here. So you can see we have a switch which I have removed. So here you can see this is a spring. You have to release this spring, and after that bulb will going to come out. So if you see there are groove on the headlight, so you have to install it like this. So you can see the bulb is locked. It's properly locked inside the headlight. So in procedure we will follow on the other end. So I have just removed the socket. After that we have this dust cover, so you have to remove this dust cover as well. So this is the dust cover, and we have to just take out that spring. After that bulb will come out, which I already shown it to you. So you can easily slide out the bulb from the headlight. So this is the old bulb with 5560 watt. So but I installed the bulb. It's 90-100 watts. So you can see the bulb installed and it's locked. So both the bulbs are installed. So now start with the relay wiring. So before start, make sure that you disconnect the fuse. So we will going to install it, and then so first of all you have to just identify the place where you will going to install the relay. Make sure it's on the safer side. We have a lot of screw and nuts in the car, so you can just identify in your can, just tighten it properly. In my car I will going to install it over here. Install it like this. So you can see using a volt and nut I have installed the relay over. Now we are going to do the wire routing. So wire, make sure you just lay the cables first of all before connecting. So you can see we have two wires. So we have two wires, the long one and the shorter one. The long one will go on the opposite side, where opposite side of the relay, and the small one on the near the relay. So you can see we have a ground. So ground I will connect it here. So I will going to provide the ground and connect the switch. So before connecting the wiring, make sure you just cover the wire with black tape, so that you have extra protection, and the installation will be look neat and clean, because everything will be black. It looks really good. So you can see the ground is connected, and this is the ceramic switch. The switch will be connected to headlight, and the male one will be going to connect to the existing socket. The existing socket will be connected over here. Let's connect this one. So before installing the socket, make sure you connect this dust cover first. So the whole that work can be done with the very basic tools, with the socket of 10 mm with 10 mm socket, plier, and a flathead screwdriver. So let's connect the ceramic one. The ceramic one will going to be connected to the new bulb. So to clear access, I have just removed the cover of the ECM, so that because it's a really tight space, so that's clearly access. So you can see the male connector, it's connected to the existing socket, and the ceramic one, the new switch, it's connected with the bulb and the dust cover. After installing the dust cover installed, so this side is done. Now go to the next side. So on the another side, the same way the switch is connected with the bulb, and the existing the socket, it's properly covered with the tape, and we can just secure it somewhere inside the engine bay. And the ground is connected same way, it's covered with the black tape, and it's connected with ground with the car's body. Later I'm going to use the cable tie. And the last one is the red cable, which is the with clamp, and the big wire with the clamp. So we're going to connect on the positive terminal of the battery. So input power is which will go to relay, and after that relay it will go to the headlight bulbs. It's connected. So now wiring is almost done. So first of all, you have to connect the relay. So now the relay is connected, you can see. Now we have to install the fuse. So the fuse is also installed, and all the wirings are connected. So now we have to connect the negative terminal back, so that the circuit get complete and we can test this light. So let's connect it. So we have connected the negative terminal, we have installed the relay, we have installed the fuse as well. So all the wiring is complete. So both the headlights are off. So let me switch on the headlight. After that we'll show you. So the existing switch will going to be used. It's not like you have to install the new switch. So that's installed, and you can see. So you can see this is the light, how it looks in the day, and I will show you how it looks in the night as well. So both are working fine. So that means the wiring is proper, and the relay is working as per design. So make sure you don't switch on this light without starting the engine, because it will going to consume a lot of battery. So for the testing purpose to show, I have just activated via battery without starting the car. So I have just routed all the cables, so the wires are proper connected, and I have just secured with the cable tie, and you can see everything looks black. So I have just protected with the black tape as well. Electric, make sure it's electric tape. So it's a very simple procedure. You can increase the brightness of your light from existing bulb, like which is 5560 to 9000. So this is response. You can see it's a yellow in color. So using this process and upgrade the headlight in 700 rupees, we have just upgraded the headlight of our car with more powerful bulbs and the more brightness. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching DIY Guy. Take care. Bye bye.